What's up, guys? This is Donovan with Simple Productions, back at it again with another little video. So today we got a pretty good modification that's actually I'm really excited about. It's going to make a huge difference for the interior, just the interior looks at least. I mean, I guess all around it's just really going to make a big improvement to the interior. Oh, here's the box. See if I can put on there where Auto Custom Carpets. Yes, I am getting all new carpet for the truck. Don't mind the mess in here, but man, let me turn some of the music off too. That's so you guys at least hear me and not get copyrighted. But I'm not turning the truck off because if you guys know, if you guys know a diesel, if you guys are a diesel owners, you guys know to not constantly, turn off your diesel and keep on starting back up. Since I'm about to leave anyways. The carpet is not in the world's best shape. It has stains all over it. I'm thinking about replacing these two, but that's going to be after the carpet install and all that. So carpet's getting replaced. Then I'm gonna really once I take the seats out, I'm gonna really try to clean the seats up. If they don't clean up, then I'll probably end up getting them either reupholstered or just get all new seats. Same with the headliner. I'm probably gonna try to do a headliner myself, but we got a little bit of slack right here. We're not sure if that's the actual board itself. We're gonna take that apart too one of these days and see if that's still good. If it's still good, then we can redo the headliner ourselves. Not have this droop right here is an issue. But so yeah, we got carpet. What I'm doing today is, because I do recommend you to put it in a hot room, somewhere room temperature at least, and let it sit out for about 24 hours before you put it inside the truck. So I'm going to unbox this, show you guys the color of the carpet I picked with and what it looks like and what my options that I picked from them. From the website, because you get all different kind of options, all different kind of colors you can think of. They don't sell just carpet; they sell a lot of different, products for these trucks and older trucks for restoring. So yeah, let's get to unboxing this and show you guys what I got. All right, so this is what it looks like opening up the box. This piece gives you kind of different kind of information of your order. This piece goes behind the driver back seat. So I got the black. This one doesn't have the mass backing. I don't think that's the actual mass backing, since it's not really meaning a mass backing. But yeah, so that's for the back. I'll just set that here, get those little curls out of it, but this one's not the big of a deal. So gives you some more information about your order, what you got, how to do it. Just giving you, what they recommend you to do, prepping to do your truck, which I will cover that as well with the install video. This is just an unboxing video to show you guys what it looks like in the box. And the next video I upload will be the actual install in the truck. I'm gonna go to Lowe's as well and get some dyno matting materials. That way it kind of helps out with the sound and just makes it a little more solid inside the truck, more solid feel. So let's go ahead and pull this thing out and lay it out and get all the forms out, get all the wrinkles, and let it sit. Alright, so let's unroll it. Comes nicely packaged in, all rolled up. Look at there. Damn. It's a little fuzzy. That's because it's full, it had the backing right here. Some of the fuzz came off of it. But now we just get a form. So you kind of figure out where the forms are. Kind of pat it down. It gets the rim. Kind of pat it down. It gets the rim. does its own thing. But you really can't see too much. It's got the forming. It's even got the little mat that comes how it comes factory. I don't know what that is. All right, so I got the glue off. Wasn't that big of a deal. But just go through, inspect it. It is like I said earlier, it's a little fuzzy. But just double check, make sure it's not glue. So that's the end of the video for today, guys. Just a little unboxing video, kind of keep you guys updated on what's going on with the truck build. Be sure you guys stay tuned for the next video with the full install of the carpet. Be sure you guys hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? This is Donovan with Self Productions. Back at it again in a little video. Jingle bell. Bell.